GS5. In this video, I'll show you what is the Euro NCAP rating of this car. The MGS5 EV is expected to achieve 5-star Euro NCAP rating, although buyers should verify the latest official crash test results for their market if testing has been recently completed. Its safety advanced technologies and modern body structure have been designed to meet current European crash standards. Vehicle includes comprehensive range of active and passive safety systems. It is expected to rank amongst the safest vehicle in its class. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.